So you're thinking about moving to Scottsdale, Arizona? In this video, we're going to show you around. We'll take you through some neighborhoods and some different price points of homes so you can see what may fit in your budget. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'll give you my take on what it's like living in Scottsdale. Welcome to Phoenix, Arizona, one of the fastest growing cities in the country. If you're thinking about making a move here, you're in the right place. We're a team of experienced real estate agents who are passionate about helping people find their perfect home in Phoenix. We understand that moving can be a daunting experience, but we're here to make it easy and as stress-free as possible. Whether you're planning to move in 9 days or 90 days, we're here to help find you the ideal home that meets your needs and budget. Our team has extensive knowledge of the Phoenix real estate market, from the hip and trendy neighborhoods to the more laid back and family-friendly areas. We'll work with you every step of the way to make sure you find the perfect place to call home. So if you're ready to make the move to Phoenix, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'll be more than happy to help you navigate the Phoenix housing market. If you're a fan of luxurious resorts, upscale shopping and dining, and beautiful scenery, then you're in the right place. Scottsdale has got it all. You'll love the city's museums, art galleries, and performing arts centers. But it's not all about the high life in Scottsdale. The city also boasts a thriving economy with plenty of opportunities in the finance, healthcare, and tech sectors. And don't forget about the annual events that bring in the crowds. If you're a car enthusiast, you'll love the Barrett-Jackson event. Or if golf is your game, you won't want to miss the Waste Management Phoenix Open. And for baseball fans, there are a ton of spring training games to catch. If you're thinking about moving to Scottsdale, the median household income here is around $91,000, and the median home value is currently around $765,000. Since Scottsdale is one of the fastest growing cities in the country, there are plenty of employment opportunities to take advantage of here. Plus, the city offers a high quality of life to both its residents and visitors. And here, we're going into the community of Arabella, which is a new build community built by D.R. Horton. This community is centrally located in Scottsdale right off the 101 freeway and Tatum Boulevard. This is a gated community, and when it's built out, will contain 420 single-family homes and 286 townhomes. The size of these homes range from 1,832 to 3,763 square feet, with patio home-size lots up to a quarter acre. These homes offer 4 design series. First is the Express series, which is an entry-level option focused on the first-time home buyer. Next is the Emerald series, which offer elevated floor plans and design options with a classic touch. Then the Tradition series, which is a classic D.R. Horton product. Finally, there is the Freedom series, which is focused on low-maintenance living. These homes come with a suite of smart home products to keep you connected, including one-wire connectivity, integrated geofencing technology, hands-free communication, multi-platform wireless network, energy-efficient homes which can all be controlled by a single application on your smartphone. These home designs are contemporary and offer low-maintenance living for today's busy lifestyle. The community offers common areas with picnic ramada, walking trails, and a children's playground, as well as grassy areas to play with the dog. Here's the community pool with a clubhouse. And here we're in McDowell Mountain Ranch, located in North Scottsdale. Set within 3,200 acres of undisturbed Sonoran Preserve, this master planned community is nestled in the heart of abundant desert wildlife and desert flora, with extensive hiking trails and beautiful views. There are 2 parks, a community center and a recreation center in McDowell Mountain Ranch. These provide extensive amenities including children's playgrounds and splash pads. There's also tennis, pickleball, and basketball courts, as well as swimming pool and spa. Although McDowell Mountain Ranch is in the natural preserve with the feeling of being off the beaten path, the community is conveniently located with golf, Scottsdale shopping, and fine dining only minutes away. This is the McDowell Mountain Golf Club, which is one of the few public courses in Scottsdale, Arizona. It was redesigned in 2011 and offers an 18-hole golf course. This community also has a 35-acre park which features an aquatics and fitness center with a 13-lane, 25-yard lap pool with water slide and lazy river, and a spray pad and water play place for the little ones. There's also a skate park, 3 soccer fields, and 2 baseball fields. Here we are in the Valencia neighborhood of McDowell Mountain Ranch. There are beautiful views of the McDowell Mountains and it offers quiet desert living. Now we are headed into the beautiful David Weekley home in Story Rock. This is a newly developed master planned community on a total of 462 acres. Only 443 homes will be developed on lots specially designed to minimize the impact to the land, allowing for 50% of the community's acreage to remain dedicated to the natural area, open space, and wildlife. With 30,000 acres of natural preserve running alongside the community, Story Rock residents will enjoy over 150 miles of established trails within the McDowell Sonoran Preserve. This is a newly built home in Story Rock, which is just east of Troon. The updated interior floor plan eliminated the formal living and dining room of these homes designed in the last 20 years. There is a better use of space and a grand feel in every room. The home offers contemporary design, but of course, you're able to customize your home to fit your design style. The floor plan is open and airy with lots of natural light. These homes start about the $1.7 million range. Here we have a casita option for the second generation or guest quarters. Here we have the casita. It's a beautiful space with a kitchenette and separate bedroom with ensuite bath. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Scottsdale. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please tap the like button, and if you want to see more, subscribe. See you next time.